Hey, hello everybody, my name is Nick, I'm from Tanzania. I came to Korea 8 years ago for university studies, and I graduated 2 years ago.
안녕하세요. 저는 GP라고 하고 나이지리아 이 세상에서 제일 아름다운 나라 나이지리아에서 왔고 한국에 온 지 지금 8년 됐어요. 원래 우리 같은 자학으로 한국 오게 되는데 Korean Government Scholarship Program. 그래서 우리나라에서 우리 둘이 공부 너무 잘해가지고 여기 와서 우리 5년 동안 공부했어요. I studied 기계공학 전공했고 지금은 졸업하자마자 우리 같은 회사에서 취직도 했고 거기 상황 너무 안 좋아가지고 우리 빨리빨리 나왔어. 지금은 무직 중 다른 일 찾고 있어요.
When I was in middle school, that was like 2009. That's when I had a dream to start abroad. I didn't want to study in Tanzania, especially university, so I had a dream to go abroad. And I went to high school. Right before my graduation, I started to find the application for university studies. So I tried to go to Canada because I wanted to go to English-speaking country. But it was kind of hard to get to Canada because the scholarship were given to the government. So in order to get a scholarship, you have to go through Tanzanian government to get the scholarship. So it was kind of hard to get that. One of my friends, he was living here in Korea for a long time. So he told me that, Mika, why don't you try Korea? Because Korea is really beautiful and I've been studying here. So I was like, alright, I'll give it a try. So in high school, I did apply for scholarship to come to Korea. I mean, it was not easy, as GP said, because they only needed 2 students from Tanzania to come to Korea. And so a lot of students, they applied for that. We had to wait. We had to go through 3 different procedures. First of all, we applied online. We sent our documents to the Korean embassy in Tanzania, and they had to go through all the documents. And they picked 8 different people, and they called us for the interview. And after that, they sent our names to universities, particular universities that we applied for. In my case, I applied 3 different universities. I applied Yonsei, Korea University, and Seoul National University. And I thank God for that. I got admission from all these 3 universities. So from that point, I had to decide where to go. And I found out that Seoul National University is a public university and also it's the best university here in Korea, so I decided to come. Came to Korea, this guy came to Korea too. So basically, I arrived here and I was the first one to get here, and then this guy, he came, so I'm just someday. We went to language school, right? Language school for 9 different months. And that's how we met actually. Because as soon as we got here to Korea, I met GP and I met other students, like more than 1 different students from all over the world. That's pretty much a short story of my high school to university life.
I almost slept. 저는 한국에 오게 된 이유는 먼저 when I was in high school, 고등학교에 있었을 때 우리 엄마의 친구 있었어요. 그래서 갑자기 우리 엄마가 그 친구 집 가는데 그 엄마의 친구 아들이 갑자기 말고 그 해외로 자금 받아서 유학 가게 됐어요. 그래서 우리 엄마 그 친구 방문해서 우리 집 왔는데, and she said this was like, 아이고 우리 아들도 해외로 자금 받았으면 좋겠다고. 그래서 나 그때 너무 어른 아이 있었어요. 너무 어리고 너무 귀엽고 너무 순순한 아이였어요.
와우.
그래서 우리 엄마 이야기 듣자마자 내 마음 안에서 결정했어요. 우리 엄마 행복하게 만들 거야. 우리 엄마의 소원 이루어지게 하겠다고 그 마음 먹었어요. 그래서 그때부터 열심히 공부했죠. 근데 미카 말처럼 우리나라에서 자학금 얻는 거 너무 쉬운 게 아니에요. I started 열심히 했고 열심히 한 덕분에 똑똑해졌고 and I started going for
This guy.
그리고 우리나라에서 약간 고등학교 대표로 많이 참가했어요. Yeah. 근데 the first scholarship competition I went for, I didn't get it. 그때 마음 너무 슬펐죠.
Why you didn't get it? Why
I
didn't get it?
mean, we have a lot of smart people in Nigeria.
So
우리나라에서
you're not smart.
그 똑똑한 놈도 너무 많아서
말이 조심해.
it was hard. The first time I didn't get it. 근데 the second time was for this Korean competition. 한국에 올 수 있는 그런 competition인지 몰랐었어요. I didn't know. But for me, I just took any like 나한테 온 기회들 너무 I took it very serious and I just studied hard. I went to the place and then I saw the big banner Korean government scholarship competition. 그때부터 와서 이거 한국에 like 올 수 있는 기회인데 I didn't know. But I just 열심히 배워서 and I went there. 너무 열심히 공부해서 we were really good. My team was first position because we were 3. My team was first position and the second team 우리 차이 20점. 우리 차이 because we really took it very serious. And then after that we went for the zonal competition and then the national competition and that's how we were first and then it was really good. That's how we came to I got the scholarship to come to Korea. And then yeah, I came to Korea after Mika, just one day after Mika. But then we met in a Uri orientation. 한국말로 orientation 무슨 anyway I forgot.
It's orientation.
Orientation 우리 했어요. So we in that orientation 우리 서로 알게 됐지. 우리 미카도 음악에 관심이 있어서 나도 음악에 관심 있다.
너 그때 관심 없었어.
관심 있었지.
없었어.
그런
나
똑같은
먼저 보고 관심
이거 내
생겼어.
이야기야. 내 이야기인데. 내 이야기인데.
아니 근데 거짓말하지 마세요.
그거 거짓말 아니야. 내 이야기야.
아 진짜.
넌 먼저 네 이야기했어. 이거 내 이야기야. So
이거 우리 이야기야.
아무튼 우리 똑같은 관심 있어서 우리 친구 했죠. 페이스북 친구도 했고. 그래서 그 오리엔테이션은 우리 3일 동안 했어요. 3일 동안 끝나자마자 우리 서로 I went to 경희대 가서 과학단은 한 9개월. 야, 너무 진짜.
9개월. 야 9개월.
지금보다 너무 재미있었지.
아 진짜야. 그때 진짜.
과학단 다니자마자 우리 제국 사기로 내려갔지. 시골 아니지. So, 거기 가서 나 기계공학
그래서 한국어 잘해. 시골에서 공부했으니까 거기서 영어 아닌 사람 한 명도 없어. 한 번도 없어.
And I 졸업했고 and 미카랑 우리 둘이 여기 서울에서 초대받아가지고 우리 like 공연 많이 해서 so 나 대구대학교 학생인데 근데 주말마다 나 서울으로 많이 올라왔어요.
우리 기숙사에서.
미카 기숙사에서 많이 잤어. 근데 그때
많이 힘들었어.
그때 불법이었어. 지금
맞아.
그때 불법이었. 아이고 너 일리걸 사람인데.
맞아. 죄송합니다.
나도 서울로 옮겼어. I decided to move to Seoul, and then me and Mika we got a good house, and then we're living right now. And actually we got a job, just like I said. We got a job in a Wesa. We're living and enjoying life. We're happy. Yeah, we're still looking for jobs.
Alright guys, we're gonna sing a song today called Every Praise. And the reason why we choose this song because we just share our story of our lives and what we have been through, the hardship and everything that we have been through here in Korea, and the good times as well and good moments. But we believe that in every single situation we have a reason to give thanks, to God. So that's the reason why we are singing this song, because regardless and despite of everything that we have been through, we still want to give Him praise and say that, hey, God, we thank you. You brought us here in Korea, and we thank you for every experience, good and bad, because all those experiences, they made us who we are today. And we are celebrating that with this song. So we believe, and we want you guys to enjoy this moment of this song, Every Praise. And if you can sing with us. Are you ready?
말 잘하네. Let's go.
Every praise is to our God. Sing hallelujah, it's to our God. Glory hallelujah, it's to our God. Every praise is to our God. Every praise is to our God. Every word of worship with one accord. Every praise is to our God. Sing hallelujah, it's to our God. Glory hallelujah, it's to our God. Every praise is to our God. God my Savior, God my healer, God my deliverer. Yes He is, yes He is. God my Savior, God my healer, God my deliverer. Yes He is, yes He is. Every praise is to our God. Every word of worship with one accord. Every praise is to our God. Sing hallelujah to our God. Glory hallelujah is to our God. Every praise is to our God. God, every word of worship with one accord. Every praise is to our God.
Finish.